Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Today we discuss the topics of linear algebra. Echelon form of a matrix, reduced echelon form of a matrix, rank of a matrix, inverse of a matrix. Firstly, we discuss echelon form of a matrix. Let A be a matrix, then A is said to be echelon form of a matrix if it satisfies the following condition. A matrix is said to be echelon form if they satisfy the following two conditions. First condition is that in each successive non-zero row, the number of zero before the first non-zero entry of a row increase row by row. Successive non-zero rows mean row 1, then row 2, row 3, and so on. All the zero rows below the non-zero rows of a matrix. And the successive row first element of first row, second element of second row, and third element of third row is called main diagonal. The below the main diagonal is called lower triangular matrix, must be zero in echelon form of a matrix. For example, the first element in first row is 3 and the second element of second row is 1 and third element of third row is 0. So 3, 1 and 0 are main diagonal. So the matrix is called echelon matrix because lower triangular matrix is also 0. 0 in the first element of this matrix is 0 and the second element of second row is 0 and third element of third row is 0. Because first element of first row is 0, so it is not an echelon form. In first condition we say first element of first row is must be non-zero, so it is not in echelon form. Reduce echelon form of a matrix. Let A be any matrix, then A is said to be reduced echelon form of a matrix if the first non-zero element of every non-zero rows is 1 is called leading one. Each column containing the leading one has all other elements 0. The non-zero rows occur above the 0 row. The number of 0 before the leading one increase the successive rows. For example, in this matrix, the first element of first row is 1 and second element of second row is 1 and third element of third row is 1. They are in reduced echelon form. The main difference between echelon form and reduced echelon form is that in echelon form, the main lower and upper in reduced echelon for lower and upper diagonal must be 0, but in echelon form lower triangular matrix is 0. In second example, the first element of first row is 0, second element of 0 and third is also 0 in third row, because main diagonal is 0 but in upper triangular matrix is non-zero, so it is not in reduced echelon form. Rank of a matrix. The number of non-zero rows in echelon form of a matrix is called rank. Non-zero rows mean there is no non-zero rows mean the elements will be in numbers form. For example, in first row 1 2 3 4 is number, in second row 2 1 is number, in third row 1 is number, in fourth row all elements of fourth row is 0. And we already asked in definition non-zero rows is called rank, so the rank of the matrix of A is equal to 3. Inverse of a matrix. Let A be a non-zero matrix, non-singular matrix. A non-singular matrix mean the determinant of this matrix is not equal to 0. Then by elementary row operation, square matrix that has been obtained by performing an elementary row matrix on an identity matrix, if A over I mean identity matrix is reduced to I over A inverse. Solution of homogeneous equation of homogeneous system of linear equation. In previous video we already discussed homogeneous system of linear equation. With the help of rank we conclude the results of a system of linear equation. If rank of a is equal to number of unknowns, then consistent and trivial solution. If rank of a less than number of unknowns, then consistent and has infinite many solution of non-zero system of linear equation. If rank of a is equal to rank of a, then the system is consistent. Rank of a and rank of a mean the rank of a one matrix is original and the other one is considered as after applying the operation. So the second result is that if rank of a is equal to rank of is not equal to rank of a, then the system has no solution. If rank of a is equal to original rank of a is equal to n number of unknowns, then they are consistent and has unique solution. If rank of a is equal to rank of a, then it less than n, then the system has infinite many solutions. In next video we discuss the topics of discrete mathematics. With the help of in this video, with the help of these results can be obtained by using different examples.